Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Fit app and ensuring your phone's Bluetooth and location services are on. This lets the app find the wearable. Once done, sign in if required and tap the device or profile section to begin pairing. Make sure the wearable is showing the QR code or pairing screen. This is necessary because the app reads that code to exchange device info. If the QR doesn't appear, restart the watch, then return to the pairing page in Fit. You now use Fit's built-in scanner. Tap Add Device or scan QR and grant camera access. The app needs permission to read the code. Then position your phone so the QR sits inside the on-screen frame and hold steady. A quick autofocus helps. Once the app reads the code, it exchanges credentials with the wearable and starts pairing. If scanning times out, switch to manual code entry on the watch screen, then type that code into the app to continue. You finish by confirming any pairing prompts on both the app and the wearable. Allow required permissions like notifications so data flows correctly. Once paired, let the app sync settings and any firmware updates. Do not close the app mid-update. If pairing fails, try the troubleshooting steps. Reboot phone and watch, clear the app cache, toggle Bluetooth, then retry the scanner. As a fallback, use the manual pairing code from the watch. That often resolves camera or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.